So, our today's topic is string functions. String functions are used for manipulating string data and make it more understandable for analysis. There are two given strings are Robert down EYJR. So, how you will read both? One is Robert down EYJR and other one Robert Downey Jr. Which one is more readable? Of course, the later one. So we have this kind of usability in MySQL of string functions. Now, if we are going here and you can understand, uh, let us look some built-in functions which are string functions in MySQL, which are available for different kind of operations in MySQL. So we are going to look at a string and some date function in later on. Most frequently used, we have requirements of concatenate data, which are combining multiple strings together. Sometimes you have first name and last name as two separate attributes, and when you are displaying, you want to combine the data as a single value. So you can use this function known as concatenate. I'm going to show you through the example of concatenate function. So if we want, there is a question, print the product names in the following format, category, subcategory from product dimension table. Then what we are going to do, I am concatenating product category and product subcategory as a product name. So what I will do, I will write it down in select query, select product category, product subcategory, concatenate function I'm using first term I want to concatenate, then I will put here space, then another attribute as product name from the table product dimension. So I am concatenating product category and subcategory and displaying them as product name. This is the concatenation of the product category and product subcategory and the name of the function known as concatenate, and you specify the attribute to be concatenated. You can also see that I am adding additional element as the part of the particular string. Here I am using a separator known as underscore and followed by the product subcategory and displaying the that column alias as product name. So this is essentially use of concatenate. So this concatenate can appear in many places as part of the SQL. It can appear as part of your select clause. It can also appear as part of your where clause. And of course, it cannot appear as part of my from clause. So it can appear in your sorting. It can appear in having clause in your having, like you will use as a filter where you want to, so that it is the most frequently used string function. I also want to point out that there is also a loads of function available which is known as upper. If you want to convert an entire string in upper, you can use this upper, lower, or you can extract substring for extracting element or portion for longer string if you want to change. So if I'm going to run this command and I'm running this one, see, you will have the product category, you are having a product subcategory, and you are now having combined data which is known as product name. So we can understand, but after spacing, after underscore, there is a subcategory. See, there are different applications for different values. So you have to learn which kind of concatenate function you have to use. See, sometimes you have to change in proper case. What is proper case? If there are some data in entire uppercase or entire lowercase, then you have to change it into the proper case. What is proper case? First one is in a capital and another one terms in a string is a small one. This is known as proper case. I really want you to practice some more functions like upper, like lower, and like extracting substrings from the string. Okay, so this is the use of concatenate function, and there may be some other string functions also. So you should practice at your end. If you have any doubt, please let me know. In my next class, I will come through date and time functions. How to use date and time functions in MySQL. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you so much.